Hello everyone, this is your weather dude, and today we're going to be going over just the tropics today. In another video, I may also talk about the severe weather and the relentless heat, but today I'm only doing the tropics due to a major topic that I might need to talk about. Not just might, I think I need to talk about. Because as you can see below your screen, it says there's a 100% chance of a tropical system forming. And that definitely needs a lot of attention, so we're just gonna talk about it today, and yeah. So that's pretty much what's gonna be happening for today. As you can see, like I said, I said there was about 100% chance of a tropical system forming, and it's definitely something that needs to be like brought up because we have not saw anything like this in a very long time. And what it means by really 100% is that like there's a formation chance. So within the next 48 hours, 7 days, it's a 100%. It's guaranteed that this storm is going to form and turn into something big, which I got a feeling that this thing right here, the tropical system, it could become a pretty large hurricane if they're talking about 100%, which that's really not common at all. While we do also have two other systems, as you can see, one off the coast of the Yucatan of Gulf of Mexico, and actually in the Caribbean off the coast of the Yucatan, and then another little system off the coast of Africa. But the 100% is smack dab in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean as of now. But it will continue towards the west as time goes on. Like I said, we're going to be pretty much just talking about this 100% tropical system that may be happening, as well as maybe some of these other tropical systems that may be forming. But just today, we're going to be talking about this one right here because there's some huge potential that this one's going to form. This one, it has like about 30%, which within the next 7 days, but within the next 48 hours, it has a 0% chance. But this one over here, it's like a 30% chance for 7 days and 30% for 48 hours as well. So I don't see this one forming, really. This one has a chance, but it's way too far out. But this one has a guaranteed chance that it's going to form. So let's dive right into our model runs. If we look over here towards the GFS, here's our 100% storm that will be forming. This one over here, the 0% as of now is like over here, and then the 30% is over here towards the Western Caribbean. So that's what's gonna be happening right there. As we put this on in motion, here's our little system. It forms. It's like tropical depression, close to a tropical storm already. Okay, okay. If we put this out in motion more, well, I'm also going to talk about this one here, which it may have a small chance of forming, but like I said, I mean, it's going to float around in the Gulf, so it definitely does have a chance, though, um, within the next 7 days. But this one, so like I said, we're talking about this one mainly because of our large guaranteed chance. As you can see, it's like only like tropical storm status, tropical depression, tropical storm. But if I put this out in motion, it starts strengthening. And it gets a lot bigger too, because it's at 999. This is pretty much when it becomes a tropical storm, a smaller hurricane. Yeah, and if we put this out in motion more, as you can see, it just keeps on getting stronger and stronger. And as it gets closer to the Caribbean and the Lesser Antilles, it becomes a 966. So this could be like a Category 2 or a 3 hurricane. That's why the National Hurricane Center is really on this tropical system becoming a humongous storm that may be forming. So it's definitely something to watch. And then over here, as it progresses, um, it just fizzles out by a little bit. But then we have this one over here, which just becomes a a tropical storm of some sort. And then it becomes kind of like the one beforehand. It will weaken out, and then it'll do the exact same thing, just run into the same land area right around towards the Dominican Republic. So and then after that, there's another one that forms right off the coast of the Atlantic, off the coast of Florida and Georgia. And then it maybe some running into the Carolinas. But it may be like a low-end tropical storm though. But the thing is, in reality, this is way out. Like that is like the 8th. So that's like July 8th. So we got a long time until that happens. Like I said, the main concern right now is these two right here. And these two, depending on where this high pressure is, if it's like up here closer to Europe and closer to Greenland and Iceland, then it's gonna like move up faster. But thing is, if it's lower, if the high pressure is like lower, right around Bermuda or like somewhere right around there, like closer to North America, it definitely has a chance that some of these storms may be running into the Gulf, which is possible. But instead, it looks like our saving grace may be coming. I don't know. Because as this thing shifts down towards the south and gets closer, then it got a chance. Because if it's further south, then we may have something hopping in the Gulf. But if it's like further north, it's going to hit over towards the north. That's why this tropical system right here, the Carolinas, may run into the Carolinas. So definitely something to watch right there. But definitely, the one right here is this one that we're paying attention to. Because it has a guaranteed chance of forming. So that's pretty much all I got for today. Make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And that's pretty much all the weather that I got for today. See ya. Bye.